What's going on, traders? This is Mike from Tactical Traders doing some end of the day scans today on January the 20th, 2021. And right now I am looking at ticker symbol TLRY on the daily chart over the past year of price history right now. And I do have some drawings up here earlier. We were actually, if you can barely see it right there, was an old little pattern, intraday pattern that we're mapping out, and this was some areas of resistance before. So we've been tracking this all the way since it was down around $6 over here. So we are pretty familiar with this ticker, and it's had some really great movement the last couple of days. Nice bullish movement, nice volume over the last few weeks as well. So a lot of eyes are on this ticker. So we're going to be going through the chart, highlighting some areas of interest, and maybe looking for some profitable trade plan setups. But we're going to be dropping this down to more of a shorter time frame. We're going to go to the 30-minute, 10-day. And right now what we have is we have the price slowly going up. And I shouldn't even say slowly going up, but steadily going up. But now it's hit some resistance right here around this, call it about 20 to 2050 area, you could say. These thinner wicks right here, thinly traded shares. So, but definitely 2050 is another area. So 2050, we've been hitting some resistance, and the price has pulled back and now gone sideways. Sideways action, actually, to me, is a nice, healthy sign of consolidation. So this is really not too worrying at all. I think the price needs a little time to breathe. And we do have some other areas of interest right here. So you can see that right about here at the 1850 area. In the past couple days, we had some resistance here. It popped above it momentarily, but that's a pretty thin wick, meaning that there was very thin amount of shares traded there. And it's held underneath that until the next day where we had a nice gap up. It actually did come down to retest that old area of resistance. It's very common to see resistance be broken to the upside, then become an area of support. So it was touched off that, bounced, and now it's gone sideways. Dropped again the next day, but it did get below this momentarily in the morning, but has popped up and then stayed steadily on that support line. Came up at the end of the day, again dropping down, retesting that support, going up to that resistance, coming back down again. So we are in definitely a sideways channel here, and these are the areas to watch. We're actually going to turn the screen just so it can kind of be symbolized as an area of support. All right. So right now, we're in a sideways consolidation, and if you pull back let's go to the 1 hour, 2 hour. This is a little bit more clear for this example, but this is pretty much as pattern-wise a bull pull right here. This nice solid movement up, and then the sideways action right here is the flag. So just imagine this as a bull pull right here, and this is the flag that goes sideways off of it. So the flag is more the consolidation area, and the bull pull is just kind of usually what happens when this consolidation happens, when there's a really strong movement in price, but it's kind of unsubstantial. It ends up unsustainable. Can't just be going up, nonstop like this. So these are the areas of breathing. So after this breakout does happen, now we're going to be looking at where we could possibly look to take some profits. Now, a good way for me to judge overall breakouts from a bull flag is to look back at the actual bull pull itself and see the range it normally has. In this case, it's quite a nice bull pull, but I'm not really going to go off that right now. So I'd actually want to go back into some old history. And it looks like back here, I didn't even look at this, but back here, there was some resistance right here at the $20 area as well. So let's see if we can go back to the 3-year. Just want to look at everything possible. All right. I'm going to go back down to that one. So on this one, I'm not even going to, try to act like I can see an area of absolute price target on this, because it's really not the best. But I'm going to say an easy price target for this right now. I'm going to give it a $5 breakout range. So I'm thinking once we get past 20, and actually, sorry, 2050, we can see a price target of at least $25 on that. And I think this could happen definitely in the coming weeks. So, definitely keep a lot of eyes on being in that 2050 area. So we get the break on that, and also look for volume to come in when that price action comes in as well. It's gonna be showing us that there's a lot of momentum, a lot of bullish, strength behind the move, and we don't get caught in a fake out breakout. All right, traders. Well, if you like this video, please hit the like button. It helps us out a ton. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. And if you want to jump in the chat room with us, you can get access through tacticaltraders.com, and we have that live 24/7 chat room link right in there. All right, traders. Thank you for watching. Until next time, stay profitable.